This is the tutorial to demonstrate the relevant operations for withdrawal. As shown on the screen, this is the main page of the BOC web page. Hit Launch App to enter the main page of the BOC app. Hit Connect Wallet and select your wallet type. Here I'm selecting MetaMask. Select the chain you wish to withdraw from. I'm choosing Polygon. Note that you'll need to withdraw all funds you have on all chains. Select the Withdraw tab to switch to the withdrawal page. For the advanced parameter settings, there will be max loss and slippage as shown. Hit max to withdraw all funds. You could either withdraw all funds to be converted into a specified stable coin or select mix. So for example, here I'm selecting USDT. You can also select others. After entering the desired parameters, hit withdraw to complete the withdrawal. The MetaMask window then appears, showing the estimated gas fee required for withdrawal. Hit confirm to proceed. The withdrawal takes some time to proceed. Wait patiently while loading. Now it's successful, and we'll have to check our MetaMask balance. As I've withdrawn into USDT, I'll have to import tokens into my wallet, go to the official site of Polygon Scan, and type in USDT in the search box. Copy the contract address and return to MetaMask. Select Import Tokens and paste the copied address here. And now hit Add Custom Tokens and Import Tokens. And now you can view the USDT balance as shown. Thanks for watching.